All right, I want to talk about cost segregation inspection. This is something I did not cover in my course. However, this is a commercial inspection, so I want to go ahead and kind of run through this, what a cost segregation inspection is. Essentially, a cost segregation study, and basically this inspection, but we're going to talk about the study real quick. A cost segregation study is a powerful way to maximize depreciation deductions and minimize the tax burden for commercial property owners. So, just so you know the basic definition of what this kind of inspection is, you really don't have to really worry about that. Basically, only thing you're going to have to be concerned with is providing them with the correct information. All right, guys, y'all gotta excuse me because I am trying to get this done for you on the fly. Okay, so this is another part to the commercial inspection, which was a cost segregation. And right now I'm inside my back office of where I'm completing the survey part of it now. All right, so basically you're going to be completing, if you're with this company anyway, this is just for one company. Other companies may be different, their setup may be different and things like that, but the purpose of this, for me showing you this, is just to let you know that you may be required to fill out a survey. So these are some of the questions that I get asked: the date of inspection, does the business address match the address provided, um, what type of building is the business operating from. And as you can see, here are my answers. Yes, the address does match, and operating out of a warehouse. The next one, does the name on the business signage match? There was no actual signage there. Next one, were there any for rent or going out of business signs? No, I didn't see any of that. Oop. And then you just want to give some general comments. And these are the general comments that I made. The property is located on a side road with light traffic at the time of inspection. The building is highly visible from the road. There did not appear to be any competitors in the nearby vicinity. The property appears to be in great condition. No damages notated or observed. The location is well maintained. So essentially, this is my survey, and these are all the pictures that I basically uploaded. And what I'm gonna have to do is label my photos. Let's go over here. I've shown this in another video for this particular company, but these are the different labels, and if none of those apply, then I'll just click here and add my own label to the photo. So I'll be going through here and labeling all my photos. Again, this inspection required over 50 photos, so I think I got a total of 73. And as you can see, I took pictures of the outside. And for this cost segregation, I gave you a general idea of what a cost segregation is. So what I'm basically in here was doing was taking pictures of just all the different insides of that particular building. You know, shelving, stairs, doors, you know, just anything just to get my 50 photos. And like I told you before, that the definition of the cost segregation is really is not important to what you'll be doing. However, I thought it was important that you know what it was. So anyway, let's keep going. So basically, again, that this job required over 50 photos. So let me go down here to get past all of this. So it may take me a little time to label all of these photos. As you can see, all the interior photos that I've taken. And once you've uploaded your photos, I usually come down here to the time entry. Basically, again, this is based on the honor system. So you want to first, if it's your first job for the day, this is actually my only job for commercial, so yeah, my answer will be yes. And then I'll input my dates the correct date that I did completed this, I'm going to put my travel time, my on-site time, my travel to the location, my how long I was at that property, how long did it take for me to travel to either my next location or to home, and you add a fourth entry here for processing. So once you get in and you're uploading your photos through your computer or something, you want to actually enter your processing time. Basically, how long did it take you to complete the survey, label your photos, and things like that before you actually submit your work. And also down here, you want to put your mileage entry. So you'll be putting the date, how many miles did it take you to get there, and if this was your only job, how many miles did it take you to get home. Now, if you had a job in between, you would actually calculate that as well. Um, so if it wasn't home, then it's 0, okay? Because you're traveling to another job, or you'll put either 0 or the mileage that it took you to get to your next location. Actually, no, I'm sorry. If it's your last job, how many miles did it take you to get home? So if this was your last job, you will input your mileage there. If you were traveling to another job, then you will keep that to 0. So sorry about that confusion there. And once it's all done, if you've had any additional expenses, sometimes you have to pay for tolls if you're in an area that require toll roads or has toll roads. And then if you had additional expenses, it got car rental there, hotel, shipping, tolls, and other and meals. The only thing I really do here is if I had to pay a toll, then I will put it there, and then I'll put some additional billing comments there regarding the extra expenses that I personally incurred. And the last thing, once that is all done, you'll hit submit. And basically that completes this report.